All right, we got some XRP news for you all in this video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. 85 billion XRP in this brand new Ripple XRP news update. You're going to find out what's going on with XRP behind the scenes. The price pretty stable right now. We're hanging out right around 60 cents. You know, with the price of XRP right now, we're trending right now in a channel that eventually I think we're going to break out of. Right now, we're showing a lot of strength. We've talked about the moving averages over the past several weeks. We have been in the buy zone with XRP for a little while now, and we continue to look really good from that standpoint. From the technical standpoint, XRP continues to show that it is a buy. As you guys can see, we'll take you right here and zoom in. If you scroll on down here, look at the moving averages. It looks really, really strong, okay? Let's minimize this down a little bit. So the moving averages showcasing a strong buy on this right-hand side. We are in the buy zone on every single moving average from the 200-day all the way up to the 10-day. Things look really, really strong there for XRP, sitting just now at 60 cents. The chart, I think, again, just consolidating right now, coiling up, getting ready for the next big move in the markets. Speaking of the markets, Bitcoin and Ethereum, pretty flat here this morning. Same thing with XRP. Market looks pretty strong, though. Bitcoin closing yesterday, we're up above 60,000 and even 61,000 at a large point yesterday. Last 7 days, we're on a nice little upward trend. And here in the last month, ever since we bottomed out at the beginning of the month at 49,000, we have been on a steady climb back up over 60K. Of course, we got there pretty quick, actually up to 62K back on August 8th. And then we've just basically been trending sideways here for a couple weeks. Again, I think we're just kind of coiling up, getting ready for the big burst. So let me take you inside this article, guys, because we've got some things happening here. 85 billion XRP trade monthly on cash markets. And we're going to get into some details and might even take a look at some price targets actually here toward the end of this video. So make sure you guys stick around. Right now, though, if you have not smashed that like button and subscribe before we get into the details here, definitely do that. Drop your X's in the chat so I know you're here because you are going to want to stick around here and check out what we've got. Again, those price targets are pretty interesting. And this story also very fascinating. I can't talk. I'm not caffeinated all the way yet, guys. It's very early. So let me get a sip of coffee. Okay. All right, we're shaking off the cobwebs. All right, so what we found here is we had a big trading volume spike on cash markets. 85 billion tokens traded by market participants every month on average. So we have American derivatives firm BITUNIX. They talked about plans to launch an XRP futures. So what could this be, and why is this important? Well, we've highlighted this before, but BITUNIX, if they're doing this with the futures contract, this is basically the first step toward a launch of an XRP ETF by an asset manager in the United States. Now, Australian-based pro-crypto attorney Bill Morgan did step in, highlighting some important data from BITUNIX's submission to the CFTC, including XRP's impressive monthly volume. So, one of the most striking details revealed by BITUNIX is that over 85 billion XRP tokens are traded on cash markets every single month. XRP's trading volume averages about 1.6 billion daily over the past several weeks. This figure sees occasional spikes during periods of heightened trading activity and obviously occasional downturns too, but all in all pretty solid. Earlier this month, XRP's volume crossed over 5 billion with that huge price uptick in the SEC versus Ripple case, the final ruling, with South Korean exchanges always at the forefront, man. South Korea is so bullish on XRP, it's crazy. Now, XRP witnessed a surge in trade volume also last July. They hit 10.4 billion that day. But Attorney Morgan pointed out that BITUNIX's proposal includes a spot month position limit of 300 million XRP, equivalent to about 0.049% of the supply. And then he talked about this is interesting because it mirrors the amount Ripple releases from its monthly escrow, which is often a point of contention among critics who argue that these releases negatively impact XRP's price. So a lot of people kind of up in arms if this were to happen. Would it be bad for XRP? I think you bring an ETF to XRP, it's going to be positive. Net positive. That's just my opinion. Now, there are some more details here. Morgan pointed out that BITUNIX's filing with the CFTC includes a U.S. clearinghouse's license ensuring compliance with regulatory standards, addressing concerns about market manipulation and protection of participants. BITUNIX obtained a clearinghouse license from the CFTC last December. The July 23 summary judgment has bolstered confidence in XRP's regulatory standing, and this is why people are interested in this whole XRP ETF. But we're basically outlining that what BITUNIX is doing right now further legitimizes XRP and paves the way for an XRP ETF. So we should definitely keep our eyes on that, and we will as we move forward. So we did highlight the price a little bit. I want to come back up here and give you guys a little bit of some interesting insight on some targets here for XRP. Here we go. Analyst sets XRP new price targets ahead of pure fireworks. Pretty recent article here. And basically, we're trying to breach that $1 resistance. That's going to be a big level for us. It says here, importance of the weekly close above 64 cents is what we need for the next leg up, which could pave the way for XRP to test 70 and 75 cent range. This move is crucial for XRP to break out of its current range and begin a full upward trajectory. So we're looking to close above 64. We've wicked up there a few times, back on August 7th, August 8th, here on July 31st. So you can see kind of where those tops of the wicks are on this consolidation pattern. Closing above that's going to be crucial. If we can do that, that is going to set the stage, I think, for a further rally and further fireworks for XRP. So it says here, short-term expert predicts XRP to reach targets of $1.30, $1.50 before the potential retest of the triangle breakout. I'm going to be interested to see when XRP, if we go to the weekly here, when XRP gets price discovery. When XRP breaks out of every formation and starts to make a parabolic move to the upside and sets all-time highs, what's going to happen when we get price discovery and we have global adoption happening of XRP? That's when things are really going to get exciting, right? And you know, when you're investing in XRP, I think you have to realize that you have to play the long game here. I know a lot of you already have and have waited for a really long time because they've drug this lawsuit out for 4+ years, but you got to play the long game when you're talking about revolutionizing the finance industry and how money moves around the world. You know, it's not going to happen overnight. That's for sure. It took, you know, years and years and years for new technologies like this to emerge and eventually become dominant forces. But XRP continues to be comfortably in the top 10, $33+ billion market cap, sitting right at 60 cents today. We'll be keeping tabs on all the news and information, guys. Make sure you stay locked into this channel. Don't only just subscribe, but ring the notification bell so you know when we go live and put out other videos. Have a great Friday. We'll see you.